Hello everyone. So we are back discussing our lines and angles chapter of class 7th, and today we'll see some of the sums of exercise 5.1. Alright. See guys, we have already seen examples and try these sums, right? So if in this exercise the same kinds of sums are there, we are not going to discuss them in detail because we have already seen them, right? So let's start. Question 1 is saying find the complement of each of the following angles. Now we know that to find out complement of given angle, we need to subtract the given angle from 90, right? And this we have already seen in our previous videos. So we'll just subtract this from 90, let's say 20, so it is 70 and like that. So let's not get into that detail. Question 2 is find the supplement of each of the following angles. Again, when we talk about supplement angles and when we want to find out the supplement of the given angles, we know that we need to subtract the given angle from 180. Why? Because supplement angles means 180. The sums of those two angles become 180. Alright? So we don't have to do much. We just will subtract from 180. Okay? Alright. Now, coming to the next one. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and supplementary. Okay? So, which of the following are complementary and which of the following pairs are supplementary? Again, we know that if the sum is 90, then it is complementary, and if the sum of these given angles are 180, then it is supplementary. So, for the first one, the sum is 180, so they are supplementary, and for the second one, the sum is 90, so they are complementary angles. And this is how you can do the rest of the sums. Alright? Coming to the next one, find the angle which is equal to its complement. Alright? Find the angles which is equal to its complements. Now this is very important to read because see, equal, when two angles are equal and they are complement, right? They are making complementary pair. Then first of all, what we need to do is we are supposed to suppose the angle. Alright? Let's say one of the angle is x. Okay? So naturally, because they are equal, so the other angle would also become x. See, right now here we don't know which angle is what. So we are like at loss. We don't know. So we have to assume that let one of the angles is x. So naturally the other one would be also x. Okay? So two angles are x and x. And they are complement to each other. So naturally they sum up to 90. That's what we have written. Now this 2 times x means it becomes 2x. 2x becomes 90. This 2 would go on this side. So it become in division, right? It would come in division, alright? And when we cancel them out, right, it would become 45. So 45 is equal to its complement. How? Because when we add 45 and 45, that would give us 90, and they both are same. So which two angles are same and complementary to each other? 45 angles, right? Okay, that is angle 45. Angles with 45 degree. Alright, there shouldn't be any confusion. Now, question 5th. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement, same as I explained just now. But the only difference is supplement. So here x plus x will become 180. 2x will become 180. X, so 2 will go here. And 2 90s are 180. So your answer is 90. So when we have two same angles and they sum up to supplementary, that is 180, it means that they both are same and they are supplementary angles. So it means that both the angles are 90. Alright, that is right angle. Now let's quickly take one more. Okay, question 6. See, it says that in the given figure 1 and 2 are supplementary angles. Okay, this angle 1 and 2, they both are supplementary angles, means they are making they are like summing up to 180. If one is decreased, if this is decreased, then what changes should take place in 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Let's do it and find it out. See, suppose this is 50. Now, to make the second one, you have to take 130 so that it becomes supplementary angles. Naturally, right? So this is 50, then it becomes 130. But in case if I make it 40 by decreasing it, okay, if I make it 40, then 40 plus 130, no. So here, if I am decreasing this, I need to make it 140. Means if one of the angles is decreasing, the other one should be increasing so that they will still remain supplementary. All right. So if angle 1 is decreased, then 2 will increase with the same measure. See, here I decreased 10. So here I increased 10. All right. So that they both remain supplementary. Easy. It's always good to do it and try to find it out so that it becomes very easy to understand. So don't you'll find so many references, but see guys, it's always good to try and do it. Okay, it's always good to confirm by doing the sum. All right, now let's talk about question 7. This would be our last explanation here, because for the next of the explanation, we'll do it in the next video. Can two angles be supplementary to both of them if both of them are acute? As I said, let's do it and find it out. So यहाँ पे question है कि can two angles be supplementary? क्या दो angle supplementary हो सकते हैं? If both of them are acute, अगर दोनों acute है तो क्या वो supplementary हो सकते हैं? Let's find it out. So acute होना मतलब क्या? Acute मतलब less than 90, right? So let's take two angles are acute, okay? तो हम दोनों angle acute लेंगे. Let's take 50 and let's take again 50. So 100, not becoming supplementary, right? Let's take one more. Let's take 89 plus 89. मतलब हम extreme end सिर्फ 1 कम किया, 90 से 1 कम किया, फिर भी नहीं आएगा, right? Because 89 plus 89 would give me 178. It's still not making 180. So, no, two acute angles can never be supplementary because they will be less than 180. Alright? So true. 50 लिया तो 100, but 89 तक भी हम गए तो भी वो 178 आ रहा है. Now let's talk about obtuse angle. Obtuse angles means more than 90 and less than 180. Again, हम minimum angle से भी try करेंगे और maximum से भी try करेंगे. ठीक है? तो obtuse means let's say 91 plus 91. That would give me 182. That's not possible. So true. Minimum से ही possible नहीं हो रहा है. तो क्या maximum से possible होगा? No. So we can say that no, because sum of the two obtuse angles is always more than 180. Now, next is right angle. Right angles means 90. So we don't have to even try with different. We just take 2. Yes. 90 plus 90, 180. So 2 right angles would always make 180. So we can say that yes, because the sum of 2 right angles is always 180. Isn't it easy? All right. So here we are done with seventh sum explanation. In the next video, we'll see some more sums, remaining 7 sums. All right. So till then, goodbye.